Hey, this is Toe2 Bravo, and we're out at the range again today, and we've got our Glock 19 Generation 5, and we're going to put some rounds down range. This is actually the first 15 rounds with this pistol. So enough talking, let's put some rounds down range. Here we go. Fantastic. Felt very nice. Fantastic. All rounds down range. Recoil was very subtle. Grip was very nice. The ability to acquire target was no problem at all. Very natural. Shot very well. Very favorable. The first 15 rounds we're good to go. Series number 2, headshots. Here we go. All rounds down range. Again, very nice recoil. Feels very good in the hand. I did get a little bite between, where is it at? This lip and this piece of plastic on my pinky. Just a little bite there, nothing big, no big deal, but I did feel a little pinch there. You know, I want to be completely honest in my first initial reactions as far as shooting this Glock 19. But subtle recoil, stays on target easily. No, very little flip, feels fantastic in the hand. Just a natural pointer, stays on target. Series number 3, rapid fire. We're going to aim for the top of the 8 and the 9 ring. Here we go. All rounds expended. Again, very pleasant recoil. Very good group. Everything was where I was aiming. 8 and 9, top of that circle. Fantastic. This gun's a shooter. This gun is a real shooter, and I really like it. And this is my very first Glock, so I am not a Glock fan yet, but I'm getting there. But this gun shoots like a champ. It's a natural, stays on target. Recoil, I can't say enough about how the recoil is very manageable. Natural point of aim, and I don't see a problem with these sights. I really don't. These sights are dead on. Trigger's not bad. Trigger's very manageable, very acceptable. 18 yards, group 4. Here we go. Center mass, group 4, 18 yards. All rounds down range. All right, 15 on steel. Here we go. Press check. All rounds downrange. Here we go. All rounds downrange. Hands are kind of sweaty. Still get a good grip and a good purchase on those slide serrations. No problem, no slippage. And my hands are sweaty, so not bad. So here we go. Ready? Ejection pattern. Not bad. All right, final series of 15. Center mass the target. Final series 15, center mass the target. 18 yards. Here we go. Very nice. Hey, this is Toe 2 Bravo, and we're done at the range today, and it's been a really good time. I had a really good shoot today. It's nice and warm. Got a little sweat up. Got to see how these slide serrations work with a sweaty hand, and they did fantastic. But the real story here is how well this gun performed. Just recently, I took my CZ10 P10 out, and I really like that pistol. It shot very well, but again, I've only had one range visit with each of these guns, with the CZ and the Glock, and as it stands right now, as I stand here, this was a more accurate pistol for me, in my hands. This was a little more of a pleasure to shoot, and I'm going to say that the recoil was even less felt with this Glock 19. Again, I apologize for the rounds going off. We have to share the range, right? But the initial impressions at the range, my initial range visit, is I am a fan so far. 100% reliable. You know, you wouldn't expect anything else out of a Glock or a CZ for that matter. Both guns were 100%. But the feel, the function, the recoil, the ability to get back on site and engage the target again were just as good, if not a little better than the CZ. It's just my opinion now. It's going to take a lot more shooting to come up with a definitive which one I think I want to carry over the other. But as it stands, with a range visit under the belt for each pistol, so far I like this one a little better. The trigger on this is more than adequate. Again, this is my first Glock, so I don't know what the past triggers felt like. But I can compare this trigger to the CZ. The CZ trigger is better, but this trigger is more than adequate. This is a nice trigger. This is a good trigger. These sights, you know, all over the internet, you hear folks talking about the first thing I'm going to do is replace these sights. I'm going to be honest with you. They may be plastic, yes. Maybe they'll break. I don't know. I think I'm going to just go and wait and see if they break. Because I am very accurate with these sights. I like these sights. I have no problem with these Glock factory sights right now as it stands. I'm going to run them like this for a little while until maybe I just get tired of them. So, good day today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly enjoyed my time, and I definitely give this this Glock 19 Gen 5. I'm sorry, I got Gen 3 on my mind. Gen 5 a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys watching, and until I see you at the range again, thanks. Alright, this is Toe2 Bravo, and this is post-range visit with the Glock 19 Gen 5, and what we're going to do is see what this trigger is all about. So we'll do 2 sets of 3 and see what the averages are. So enough yapping, let's see what we get. So here we go. £4, 12 ounces. Enter that data. Let's do it again. £4, 13 ounces. And third and final for this series, £3, 15 ounces for an average of £4, 6 ounces. £4, 6 ounces on that first series. Let's clear the data. And let's do a second series of 3. So here we go. Second series of 3. £4 even. Number 2. £3, 12 ounces. And third and final. Here we go. 2.9 for an average of 3.40. 3.40. Not bad, not bad. Better than what's listed. And again, your results may vary, but that's what I got with my Glock 19. Very acceptable. Very acceptable. This is Toe2 Bravo. Can't beat that. Thanks for watching.